Now the next type of single candlestick pattern is spinning top. A spinning top looks like the candles shown in the image, meaning the candles have a small real body, and since they have a small real body, we can say that the open price and close price are nearly the same. And that's why we can say that since the open and close points are near to one another, the color of the candle does not really matter. So it could be a green candle or a red candle. The key thing to notice over here is the upper wick and lower wick of a spinning top would be nearly the same, or the upper shadow and lower shadow would be nearly the same in case of a spinning top. And this presence of upper and lower wick, it indicates that the bulls and bears were not able to achieve upward or downward movement respectively, or in simpler terms, I can say that there is an indecision situation in the market. Now let's understand the behavior of spinning top in uptrend and downtrend. First and foremost, spinning top in downtrend. Since bears are in control, we can say there is an ongoing downtrend. So spinning top formation would mean that the bears could be consolidating their position before resuming another round of selling, which in other words would mean there would be continuation of downtrend. Or I can say that the bulls are trying to prevent a further downfall of the prices, but they are unsuccessful. So exactly the same has been depicted in this picture. So since there is indecision situation, we can expect one of the two outcomes. That is, there could be another round of selling as shown in the picture, that there is a downtrend. We saw spinning tops, meaning that the bears have consolidated, and that's the reason after a slight upward movement, there is another round of selling causing a further downtrend. Or the second situation is, here if the bulls have consolidated well enough, then they could potentially reverse the market direction and we can see an increase in the price, or in other words, we can see an uptrend. So again, an indecision situation indicated by a spinning top. Now let's understand how the behavior would be when the spinning top is seen in an uptrend. So it will have more or less the similar outcome as the spinning top in a downtrend, meaning that whenever there is an uptrend, we always say that the bulls are in control of the market. That is, they have been dominating the last few trading sessions, and that's why there is an uptrend. And the moment you see spinning tops, we can say that the bulls are no longer in control, and that's the reason we see spinning tops getting formed in your chart. So here, with the formation of spinning tops, the bears have made an entry into the market and they are trying to reverse the direction, but they are also unable to do so. So because of this indecision situation in the market, neither the bulls nor the bears can influence the market. So again, there could be one out of two things that would happen. That is, either the bulls could be consolidating their position before initiating another round of up move or uptrend, or the bears could reverse the direction and begin a downtrend. So here in the picture, I can see there is an ongoing uptrend. Spinning top formation has been seen. Here the bulls consolidated their position, and that's why we can see a continuation of uptrend. Now how do I trade using these spinning tops? Now spinning top, they have a small real body, which means that neither the bulls nor the bears could establish any influence on the market, and hence there is indecision or uncertainty in the market. So traders should look for the preceding market trend. So we should understand whether the previous trend was an uptrend or a downtrend. So if there has been a prior downtrend and you see a spinning top, then you can plan for a long position expecting an uptrend with stop loss being marked at the lower wick or lower shadow of that particular candle, or at the lower shadow of your spinning top. And if there is an uptrend previously and you see a spinning top, then you can plan your trade expecting a downward trend or expecting a down move, and with the stop loss being marked at the higher shadow or the upper wick of your spinning top. So that's all about spinning tops and trading with spinning tops.